Okay, I'm working out the reporting data with quarters. So I've got it so that if you're working on a particular report, then when you switch to the reports page, it shows you the presentation for that report. So you can see quarter 2, 1st October to 31st December 2010. The data that I've put in is I've got financial year 2008 and quarterly for Q1 2011 and Q2 2011. So this top bit here makes sense. Annual emissions 1,109 kilograms, passengers 1. So that's for the annual year, which ending 2010, ending June 2011. So down here we've got the asset Big Res, and it says here 2009 CO2e even over 109 kilograms, even though we're reporting on quarter 2 2010. So that 109 should be less than the annual amount because there's 2 quarters and I've put data in for both. So if I go up here and select data and go to quarter 1, so that changes all the refreshed everything. Here we've got Big Res 2010 CO2e of 2197. So that, and this thing here changed annual emissions of 2197. So this is what I'm working on, all the labeling. So I think this thing here should stay as annual. That's what I had in my head, and this thing down here would change to be quarterly. So the proper amount of data, the proper reports are under here. It really should show for quarter 2 we've got this 109, and for quarter 1 we've got 2097, like that. That's the correct thing it should be. So maybe just the labeling needs to get changed. So this amount here is correct, 2197. If this said for quarter 1, then that would be the right number. And if this thing down here said quarter 1, that would be the right number. If we made change from so this would make sense. There's no prior quarterly data, so quarter 1 to before is not applicable. However, if we change to quarter 2, it doesn't. It's still not applicable. So I should say quarter 2 to quarter 1 to quarter 2. The change is actually 1,000 kilograms in this example, and it goes here. And if a bit more, if there was a quarter 3 and quarter 1, I'd change quarter 3 to change quarter 1, so that even though there's a gap, just so that it reports on something. So that's my plan.